Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Make sure you have your notepad and pen because we are about to begin. Today we will be doing the flashcards for the skin, structure, disorders, and diseases. Let's begin. On what part of the body is the skin the thinnest? Which of the following is the outer layer of the epidermis? The epidermis contains no blank, but has many small nerve endings. What epidermis layer is responsible for the growth of the epidermis? Subcutaneous tissue, also known as blank tissue, is a layer of fatty tissue found below the dermis. What substance lubricates the skin and preserves the softness of the hair? Which nerve fibers carry impulses from the brain to control muscle movement? What layer of the dermis contains the lymph glands? Blanks supply nourishment to the skin in the form of protein, carbohydrates, and fat. What can occur to the skin when collagen fibers become weakened? The color of the skin, whether fair or dark, depends on genetics and one of the most prominent characteristics of aged skin is its what body system controls the activity of sweat glands, which regulate body temperature and help to eliminate waste products from the body? The outermost layer of the epidermis is covered with a thin layer of sebum, which makes skin What is sebum secretion affected by? How much do humans perspire daily? Blank is a function of the skin that protects the body from the environment. The skin protects the body from injury and a blank is a small blister or sac containing clear fluid lying within or just beneath the epidermis. An example of a bulla is which of the following primary lesions requires a medical referral? A wheal can be caused by an abnormal mass varying in size, shape, and color is a severely cracked or chapped hands or lips is considered a an excoriation could be caused by which of the following is a thick scar resulting from excessive growth of fibrous tissue? What type of lesions are characterized by an accumulation of material on the skin surface or by depressions in the skin surface? Psoriasis is characterized by a which of the following is a recurring viral infection that produces fever blisters or cold sores characterized by a single vesicle or group of vesicles with red, swollen bases? Blank occurs when irritating substances such as chemicals or tints temporarily damage the epidermis. Which of the following conditions may spread to other parts of the body by contact with contaminated hands, clothing, or objects. Blank usually occurs on the scalp, elbows, knees, chest, or lower back, but rarely on the face. Dermatitis lesions may appear in various forms, such as excessive oiliness on the skin or scalp may indicate the presence of which of the following disorders of the sebaceous glands is commonly associated with newborn babies? What disorder of the sudoriferous glands can be life-threatening and requires medical attention? Blank results in foul-smelling perspiration, usually noticeable in the armpits or on the feet. What disorder of the sudoriferous glands is caused by exposure to excessive heat and usually clears in a short time without treatment? What is the technical term for freckles? An absence of melanin pigment in the body, including the skin, hair, and eyes, is known as which of the following changes in the pigmentation of the skin is commonly referred to as liver spots in older adults? Blank is caused by a burn, scar, inflammation, or congenital disease that destroys the pigment producing cells. Skin with vitiligo must be which of the following is also known as a birthmark? A callus is a blank that is caused by continued, repeated pressure or friction on any part of the skin. Any change in a mole requires blank. Which of the following is caused by a virus and is infectious? Blank can spread from one location to another, particularly along a scratch in the skin. If the thickening of callus grows inward, it is called a Where do skin tags most frequently occur? The most common and least severe skin cancer is What type of skin cancer is characterized by black or dark brown patches on the skin that may appear uneven in texture, jagged, or raised? The American Cancer Society recommends using the A, B, C, D, E cancer checklist to help make potential skin cancer easier to recognize. What does the D stand for in this acronym? What vitamin is important to skin and tissue repair? Vitamin E blank. The American Cancer Society recommends using the A, B, C, D, E cancer checklist to help make potential skin cancer easier to recognize. What does the C stand for in this acronym? Basal cell carcinoma has what percentage of a survival rate with early diagnosis and treatment? Which of the following skin cancers is the least common of the cancers, but is 100% fatal if left untreated? Early detection and treatment of malignant melanoma can result in a 94% 5-year survival rate, which drops drastically to 62% once it reaches the Using sunscreen with an blank when in the sun is necessary to protect the skin. Blank and protection are the major factors involved in maintaining the skin's overall health and appearance. Which of the following is a small brownish spot or blemish on the skin, ranging in color from pale tan to brown or bluish black? The change in pigmentation of skin caused by exposure to the sun or ultraviolet light is a Characteristics of blank include eyes that are pink and skin that is sensitive to light and ages early. Which of the following are irregularly shaped dark spots, sometimes found on the scalp and ears and often first detected by a barber? Sores that do not heal or unexpected skin bleeding may be symptoms of This concludes the flashcards. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and visit our website at howardbrownonline.com for more information on classes. Now remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.